Hey guys, I am on with a quick Temu haul. I've already put this transfer on a white shirt, but this is so me. I don't need a nap. I don't need a Valentine. I need a nap. I'm like, yep, that's me. I'm going crazy with these darn things because I can get the t-shirts so cheap and they're cotton, as I've said, at Michael's, and then you just iron these on and they're only usually under $2. So anyway, so that'll be, I will list below the links. I'm not an affiliate with them. I used to do videos in cooperation with them, but I quit doing that. Anywho. Okay, and then I got these earrings and I got a refund on them. I try not to, I thought they were just regular hoop earrings. And I liked them because, you know, they're Valentine's Day, but they don't, one of them doesn't latch. One does. And getting them in and out of your ear is like, I don't know. I'm so uncoordinated that I can't do it. So they're little hearts. I don't know if you can see that or not very good. Red and pink, but yeah. So no, I don't recommend those. I don't remember what I paid. I am a Laura Geller gal with the powder and stuff, baked powder, and they had some stuff. And I'll just give it a try. This color is natural. I paid $3.51. And it's that baked where it's different colors, different shades. I mean, seems just like Laura Geller's, only way cheaper. So I just wanted to try that out. So I'll try it more in the future. I got these hearts, so pretty, and they show them where they did. So every other one as, let me put the paper behind it. Let me be more of a professional. Yeah, right. Anywho, so they have the loop and then the stitch and then the loop, the stitch, and so on. But they showed where somebody had done like a easel card using the hearts. I thought that was cute. So this was $2.93. I have some orders coming, but they're like stuck. They aren't getting them out to the airport. I know that I don't think it's started yet, but their New Year's is starting, so it may take longer because of that. Chinese New Year. I have that die that has the different squares, and these are stencils for $2.43. I can't even read my $2.53. I can't read my own writing. Doesn't really matter. You'll see the link, and they're probably a whole different price anyway. So got this, and then this has got, you can do the squares. So you got the hearts, the butterflies, the circles, the stars, random circles. I thought that was kind of cute. All right, so then for my granddaughters, I got these iron-ons. Happy Easter. Isn't that cute? And that, I mean, these are so cheap. $1.27. Not that my granddaughters aren't worth more than $1.27, but if you can do it for Happy Easter. Look at the pretty colors. Sorry about the tag, but $1.44. So that would work. But then this one is huge. I mean, I don't know. Maybe Emma? $1.56? Or me. Maybe I'll have to. I mean, it's, I don't know, more than 12 inches long. I mean, their little shirts aren't that big. But maybe this will work for Emma. We will see. And I got these pretty borders. They're heart. They're like lacy edge dies. $1.84, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So those were pretty. Me and my metal signs, they always come a little bent, but you can always reshape them. $4. I was like, I paid $4? What was I thinking? It must have been either, sometimes if I can't sleep, it's the middle of the night I'm on there. Or, you know, who knows, because I don't normally pay $4. But whatever, it's very cute. Cookie and candy bar, Valentine's candy bar. And I just put these on the side of my fridge with magnets, so they work great. You can hang them, obviously, but anyway. And this is a quick one, guys. I didn't get much. $3.87, but don't worry, there's more coming. Oh, sorry, I should have. I think this is a runner. Table runner. Yeah. And it's got that linen look to it, not that shiny polyester stuff. Don't like that stuff. So anyway, here it is, full of hearts for my Valentine's Day decor. I'm having a friend over on Monday for coffee, and I'm making a dessert. I thought, I gotta have somebody else over to see. She always is so fascinated by my decorations and just thinks that's really, goes on about, appreciates them, I guess. So I thought, oh, well, have her over. She's off on Monday. Schools are out for Martin Luther King Day. Yeah. Had some sticky stuff on there, so that'll motivate me to pick all this stuff up. And then this next thing I got for $1.92, and I believe it's a flag. Yeah, it's a flag that I can hang outside. And again, it has that linen kind of Hello Valentine with heart balloons. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I mean, yeah. And then one more, getting ready for Easter now, don't you know? Table runner. This was $5.34. Their prices are definitely going up. But I keep ordering. Let's see. It says Happy Easter, and again, it's that kind of linen material instead of polyester sheeny stuff. Look at the bunnies. So like Peeps. I just love this. The little gingham on the sides, and then in the middle it has the eggs. And these are like 72 inches long, I think. 76 maybe, I don't know. So, I like them. I think they're very pretty. I like my stuff. So I got that for Easter, which will be here before you know it. Kind of hoping, I haven't told the kids this, but I miss my girls, and even though it's a long drive, the weather over here has been so mild that I'm thinking maybe in February go on to do a drive over there and bring them their Valentine stuff that I've been collecting. So just miss them. And you know, we've all gotten definitely closer over the last, not that we weren't close, but you know, tough times bring you together. Do you think I can do this on? I think I'm going to have to put this on mine. Or I could put it on a pillow. That'd be cute. Okay, there you go. Feeling better. So I need to get one more because, you know, I got 3 little girlies. My goodness. So yeah, I had fun placing my order. Finally came. I'm having things arrive here. If you like Laura Geller baked powdered, I think this is base foundation. I don't put liquid foundation very rarely. And this just because of the different... Laura's has yellow in it though, which is nice because I have some, I don't know if you'd call it rosacea, but just red lines and veins and stuff, getting old lady face. So I'll let you know what I think of this. Okay, there we go. I don't think Temu's gonna be here for... Oh, I forgot to show you this. So I've been wearing it. I got it for $5. I've had this ring. This is on my left hand, which it only fits that. I think I have chubby. I got the big knuckles, and now with arthritis and all that, they're getting bigger. But anyway, and I ordered it, I think in a 9, so it won't. Yeah, it won't go over this. Isn't that weird that one side of your body, I think it has to do with your heart or something? I don't know. Anyway, so you know, somebody might think I'm married. Whatever. That's okay by me. All right, you guys, take care, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.